In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Discord app icon. Changing the Discord app icon can be significant for personalization, branding, or simply refreshing the look to keep things interesting. It can also help users quickly identify different accounts or servers if they use multiple profiles or participate in various communities. To do this, simply head into your Discord. On your profile page, tap onto the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of app settings. You will then select on app icon. Select any icon of your own choice and it will get added as your Discord app icon. To access some icons, you must have subscribed to the Discord Nitro package. That's how easy it is to change your Discord app icon. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.